TMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
Let me tell you, I pity those same people. How can you punish people for saving their money? Then dissolve National Security Fund.
I see.
Not no court we not doing galabi. Nali manyi nti abayina emitwe minene baba bagezi nedda. I don't respect it. I respect knowledge akili. It tells you me I don't respect the big sizes. Same picture, let me tell you. Same picture who slaughtered pregnant cows for a party. Where does he get the credibility? Bali bamuko ndia yagire na yiba simple job. If I die and I go to heaven and God gives me a head of a person who resembles the same job, I rather remain in heaven. Siko maukunsi. Simple job tundo musenyi nangumala mu Lwera. Billions. Where did he put all these billions? To be used like a robot.
I see.
This money simply is defense. Even if it is a security matter, it should be general Mukwezi.
I see.
Never simply jamutu yo. Simply ja. Your political competence, political turn courts. That I come, a Minister of Defense. You wolole. Kati simply you wolole wa bahati.
I see.
Oh, you don't get to na duko. Kati ndoza baba muliba bwa vice.
I see.
Me no. Kati mukubiri ko muntu. No labe nganga, no labe mputa, no labe nganga. Are you Minister of Finance?